Plastic is everywhere, and while it's always encouraged to recycle plastic, not all plastic is created equal. Believe it or not, there are thousands of different kinds of plastic, and of those, only 7 are recyclable. Luckily, these are also the most common types of plastic found in items. However, many recycling companies only accept a few of these different types. This is because the other ones are either too expensive or difficult to recycle. The first one is PET and is one of the most common types of plastics and is found in items such as water bottles. It's used because it's waterproof and safe. PET is usually a rather hard plastic as compared to film plastic. This is recyclable almost everywhere, but you should check with your recycling center just to be sure. The second one is HDPE. Along with PET, HDPE is a very common plastic and has many of the similar properties as well. HDPE is found in many containers such as milk, gallons, shampoo bottles, and detergent containers. Also like PET, this is almost always recyclable, but always check to be sure. The third one we're going to be looking at is PVC. PVC is not too common of a plastic, however, as the name suggests, PVC pipes are made from this plastic. It's not too commonly recyclable, but you can call your recycling facility to be sure. Then number 4 is LDPE. LDPE is made from the same material as HDPE, however is much softer and weaker. Another name for LDPE is plastic film, and this is a good way to visualize what this plastic is like. This plastic is very commonly being used in grocery and newspaper bags. These are generally not recycled curbside, however many stores will recycle plastic film and you can drop the plastic off at these locations. Number 5 is going to be PP. PP is a very widespread plastic used in takeout containers and Tupperware because of its sturdiness and toughness. While this plastic isn't recyclable curbside, it should be reused instead of being thrown away in the trash. Number 6 is PS, or more commonly known as styrofoam. Styrofoam is very porous, usually white, and easily breakable plastic, leading it to be used in takeout containers and packaging. PS is not recyclable curbside because it's too expensive to do this. This makes it very bad for the environment and is thus widely known as the worst kind of plastic. And number 7 is composed of miscellaneous plastics. While at the beginning we said that there are 7 kinds of plastics, there are actually more. However, many of them are very uncommon and thus are grouped into this category. These plastics include polycarbonate, acrylic, styrene, fiberglass, and nylon, to name a few. Products from these materials include CDs and baby bottles. Contact your local recycling facility